In this video, I will show you how to fix Philips TV turns off by itself automatically. So here are a few ways for you to resolve the problem. Before we get started, please ensure that the software of the TV is up to date and the TV's power cord is in good state and correctly plugged into the socket. So the first thing that you can do is to deactivate the sleep timer on your Philips TV. So the TV can be set to turn itself off after a fixed amount of time. So to deactivate this setting, please follow the steps below. Press on that home button on your remote, and then after that, go ahead and select frequent settings, and then head over to sleep timer and then click on that off option. Step 2 is to deactivate the switch off timer. The TV has an ecological setting to automatically turn itself off after a few hours of use. If it doesn't receive any commands from the remote control, it will get deactivated. So to deactivate that, you'll need to press on the home button on your remote control and then select settings and then head over to echo settings and then click on switch off timer and then set that into off. Step 3, no signal automatic switch off. If all of the above are turned off and the TV still switches off by itself, it could be because the TV is left unattended on a source with no signal and receiving no remote control commands. This feature's time span can differ depending on the TV model, and that's basically how you can fix that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.